Very quick update on the Craftsman Drill Press restore. I've got quite a lot done. The base table, working table, head stop, coil spring cover, the hub for the handles and the cap for the column, and also the two plates that mount the motor mounts on have all been cleaned up and repainted. And you can see, let's have a closer look at that. As you can see there, I've also cleaned up the column and that's all come up really nicely. For those interested, the paint I'm actually using is Rust-Oleum Combi Colour. And this was a pretty close match to the paint I found on it originally. So this is I don't know whether that's the original paint, but it's certainly, given how hard it was to get the stuff off, I think it probably was the original paint. So that's all done. If we swing over here to this rather strange precariously mounted attraction here, the head, I spent all yesterday cleaning the head. The head is now cleaned up and ready for paint, which is why it's got all these corks and bits and pieces stuck in it to block up the various holes. The reason it is mounted like this is simply that this will allow me to rotate it. There's a large piece of steel bar clamped on in the vise, and that goes into the engine mount at the back of the head. So it will allow me to rotate the thing so I can actually paint the underside. So I really do need to get to the underside. But yeah, that's going to get done today, hopefully. And then really all we've got left to do is the motor. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. So there you go. The current state of play on the Craftsman Drill Press. Cheers.